Hi, Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Market. It's just been filled long here at 58.81. As soon as the market took out, you can see it's 9:50 is the time, and it's Tuesday, September 26th. We're dealing with the December contract in the Nasdaq. So as soon as it took out here, went ahead and jumped in, and so now we're long at 81. Our next target is up into this area, up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell limit up in there at 89. Actually, I'm going to bring it down just a little bit to 88. And we're going to put that at 88, just right at the top of that high velocity move, as you can see.
High velocity move.
I'm also going to put in a protective sell stop down in here. It's moving up nicely, so that's good to see. It's already moved up to 86, 87 from 81. I'm going to put in a break-even sell stop. So we'll put that in there and bring that up. And I need to adjust that to 4 contracts. There we go. Okay, so it had a pretty quick move there right after the fill, which is what we'd like to see. So that's the lay of the land at the moment. I'll go ahead and put in a couple of these markers for us. We've got the one marker to try and exit here. We've got the other marker here for the time being at our stop, and another marker here for our fill. I'll just put that in there. Okay, everything's in place. I'll go ahead and pause the recording and pick it up when needed. Okay, just resuming the recording. It's now 9:57. Just got filled here a moment ago as the market rallied up and hit our first objective at 88. I now need to adjust the sell stop. I don't think I'm going to adjust the position of it at the moment. It's a break even, but I have reduced it down to 2 contracts here. So there's no real changes to make at this point in time. We're just going to use a protective stop on these final 2 contracts for now. Now there's a potential the market could, of course we got up to here last time installed. We could get up here install. So I'm going to go ahead and put another order in here, and I think this time I'm going to put a little bit above that just in case it spikes higher. We'll see if we can sell one of them up there. Might just spike above that resistance area and get us filled. And what I will also do is put in a marker there as well, just so we know that limit order to sell is up there. So that's it for now. Once again, I'll pause. Okay, restart the recording here. We are getting some more follow through, so and it has moved up to 91 from 81. So I'm going to go ahead and make an adjustment on the stop. You know, it's moved 10 points, so I don't want it to pull all the way back. I'm going to move the stop up to let's say 84 for right now. You know, it locks in 3 points there on the second 2 contracts. We've already exited the first 2 up here at 88. So we'll just leave it like that. I just want to bring you up to date on that because even though we don't have a really good reference area, I've just put it at the bottom of this decel bar right here. Usually, you know, you get a dip and then a rally, and we can put it below that little dip, but we don't really have that here today. So, but by the same token, because it had moved 10 points, I don't want it to move 10 against us and stop us at break even on the second half. So that's really the reasoning on that stop adjustment there. So 10:07, and once again, I'll pause the recording. Okay, restarting the recording. We do have a green bar here, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust it again. That's at 90, so I'm going to go at below that. By the way, it's 10:10 right now, so bring this up to 89 for our protective stop on these second 2 contracts, and we'll move our marker up there too. So that's the lay of the land at the moment. We're getting fairly close to our objective here, so that's good. So anyway, once again, pause the recording. Okay, just restart the recording again just a couple of minutes later. We just got filled here on our objective at 896, so that was nice. That's a 15-point gain on that 3rd contract. Now we've just got the 1 contract left, and I'm going to go ahead and you can see here I've had this sell limit in for quite a while today, since back 3+ hours ago. what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this to just one contract, and I'm going to use that as the objective for this final contract that we have here. So I'll just go ahead and put that marker in up there. So there we go. We're good to go. We've got our stop in place. We've got our objective. Everything's looking good. And 10:13, I'll go ahead and pause recording. Okay, just resuming the recording here. It's really zoomed up here. Looks like we might get filled just a couple of minutes later here on our next objective, as it's, it's moving up very nicely. So I just thought I'd start recording that again. We just came within a tick of it, so just give it a moment here and see how we do on that. In the meantime, though, you can see, okay, we just got filled on that, so I will go ahead and cancel this. So that's trade worked out really nicely. So we were long here, and we were able to, this was our stop, our last stop. We were able to get 7.15, and then the last one up here at 92, and we were out at
high velocity move.
So that's a 21 point move, so that worked out nicely. So 21, 31, 41, 46 point move. Very nice. So if you have any questions or comments, just reach us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. And that'll be it for today. And just as a reminder, today is Tuesday, September 26, 2017. And this is a 2-minute chart of the emini Nasdaq December contract. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.